Welcome back. Today we're going to be making the treadle for our shave horse. But rather than chop the mortise for the arm, we're going to glue it in. The final dimensions of this treadle are pretty wide. It's 11 inches wide, and even though I get some pretty big pieces of stock in my supply when I build these, I don't usually get pieces that are, clear, straight grain that are 11 inches wide. So if I'm going to end up gluing up a part or a panel to make a part, I figure I might as well glue the mortise into the panel so I don't have to chop it out later. So what I've done here is divide this piece up into four parts. You've got the center section, which is about 1.5 inches wide, and then you've got your two outer sections, which are 4 3/4 each. The first thing we need to do is get this centerpiece sized properly. We want it to be just slightly thicker than the swing arm. So what I'm going to do is move this stuff aside, get my swing arm up here, and we'll compare the two and see how they stack up. Alright, I got my swing arm here, and I've got this center ply, and it's a little bit thick, so I've got some work to do here to remove some material. We need to make sure that we can slide it on and off pretty easily, but the better it fits, the stronger the connection is going to be when we start to tweak it by putting our feet on it. Maybe a couple more swipes here. Okay, that's feeling pretty good. I want to just make a quick check to see that it's still square. Okay, we're good. The next thing we're going to do is a preliminary layout, and this will just help us kind of visualize where everything's going to go. I've got my boards sitting in the orientation they're going to be at. When I put these boards together, I was really careful to make sure that all the grain is running the same direction, because once we glue this thing up, we're going to have to plane everything smooth, and we don't want to be fighting different grain directions on either sides of the glue lines.